Flipping shoes on StockX is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can properly flip shoes on StockX and make money. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm at the StockX. Now here, you just simply have to, click on this sell item after logging in, obviously. And here you have to select whatever the shoes that you have. Now let me tell you one thing before we begin. So you won't actually be able to, sell your used shoes. Make sure whatever the shoes that you're trying to sell are new. StockX will verify before you sell it to any of the customer. So you just need to select any of the product that you are selling actually. Suppose I'm selling, and here you have to select your product model, and suppose I have this one. So as you guys can see, currently this item is not available in my region, but in your case, it should be right here. And after that, you simply have to, list your product in the StockX, and you need to, accept a good offer or accept a good bid that you want to sell for. You just need to, wait until you get a good bid. After that, you just need to sell it to the right bid, and you will be able to, make profit. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.